You know you're to go to school. You know you're going to school. Kiki, what do you want to do? You want to get hit now? Done hitting it? Yeah. You're tired? No, not too big for you. Oh, your teacher. Let's go to your class. Let's go. Let's go and see your teacher now.
This way.
This way. See your class here. This way. See your class. I'm on rainbow team. Stop running. Easy. Oh yeah. I don't want to see it. Okay, let's go and see your teacher. Alright, let's go. Let's go see your teacher. Let's go. Straight. I want to get something. Yeah. Someone directed me here. I want to get holding spray. How much is that one? Okay, is your... Okay, no problem. I'll check that out. So good. Isn't everything you see, you put your head inside. Alright, let's go. Let's go here. What is that? Apple. You see apple there? Yeah. Show me the apple. Turn it, let me see. And which of that fruit again? Which of that one again? This. Which fruit is this one?
Okay.
It's pineapple. What of this one? Lemon. What of this one? You should know this one. What of this one? No.
Delta.
What are you dancing to this one? It's hot dog.
Hot dog. Mama.
Take one and go there. No. No,
2,000 years later.
And now I'm not alone on this. Your kids will come back from school demanding for the unthinkable. My daughter said, Mommy, I want to make tai-tai. And I'm like, this is someone I knew that I used to make tai-tai for. That's thread or wool or whichever extension you want to use and make it. She came home crying. I said, okay, no, I'm gonna go do hair now. They called me from salon that she said she must do that. I said, no problem, do now. So at this point, we were done with making us wool. Guess the time we finished his hair? Around 8 p.m. All because of they wanted to do Isam. I don't know how to explain it. Periwinkle on the mouth, the coily. I said, I beg, I cannot wait. See this boy, we even had to come pick them up, and he said I must stay with Soso. I must stay with the sister. So we are all there together, try to just do something, and the hair scattered, but for now, this is how it turned out, and it looked so good. This was after school meeting, and they wanted to resume. I said, what are they going? What will she make that will last till the school closes? As in the section closes, my calling section, the term closes, and this came in handy. So we made do with this, and everybody's happy at the end of the day. I saw on Instagram where someone was saying the things you need to do to get ready in the morning so you're not run late. My dear, I do all that and even more. But at the end of the day, my kids, in the morning, wake up to come and do assignments, or wake up to come and do something, they are running up and down. They'll be crying, I don't want to brush, I don't want to do this. This is just a typical morning. I said one day I will vlog this morning so people understand how chaotic my mornings are always. This is my son. He was eating, and all for something to distract him, he had to get
Don't do that.
blocks.
No,
The
keep
sister, I didn't know that she didn't do her assignment, but
it.
there was a particular one she skipped,
No, look at this.
and we are trying to sort it out that morning. The
Yeah,
kind of
take your
assignment they
place.
give these kids
No,
sometimes,
take it. Learn to
they
share.
even
Did you hear before
me and
you?
my husband used to wonder, are we the ones that are
Every
giving this
class belongs to a
assignment or
different
these
family.
children, these
Norm says,
kids?
let's start. Number
Because
of
I said, I said
families,
children's.
2.
Oh boy, English,
Number of
yeah. At this point, we are just trying to get everything ready
KK.
before we could
You know you
get
have to
ready
go
for
to school.
school. This boy was ready, but he
You know
still
you're
didn't
going
want
to
to
school.
leave the blocks. My mornings are always very. If I could get every dollar, $1 for every time I shout, "Are you done?" I will leave you. I cannot turn to millionaire in dollars by now. So this was
Where's
just us
yours?
basically getting ready in the morning, and at the end of the
Not there.
day, we got ready. So
Pick it and put in the bag. KK. Put them in the bag. Good boy. Pick, 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 pick. So we'll go to school. Close it. Yeah, let's go. Okay, no, listen. We're off to school. What of the inside here? Yeah, bring it because that one not the one that still has something inside. Good morning. Good morning. I know you come from.
you guys didn't tell me. I didn't tell me. I after work, after the hustle and bustle of the day, I told myself, Chika, you just need to go and sit somewhere, cool off before you get home. And this was just basically what I did. Because tell me how the weekend was supposed to be a resting one and I was exhausted. So today I told myself, Chika, you're not going home straight. So I sat over a cup of pina colada and I felt good with myself. Even when I was leaving, I had to tell
Level 5.
myself.
Really good. Say that school has opened. Tell us that school has opened without telling us that school has opened. So I just stopped to get this. So I just stopped by to get it from. So I should be heading home now. Heading home now, and like I always say, career woman ended, mommy mode. I think I've completed my 10k steps for the day. What is this? What in the world's name is this? Oh boy, oh boy. I'm about to rant. Nigeria is already frustrating. Or rather, standard of living in Nigeria is already frustrating the living. Oh, this is I left work early today and kids, you give them multivitamin, you give them vitamin C, you give them what else? Fruit to school, you give them enough fruits, they eat well, they drink water, and at the end of the day, they still get to catch cold or catch all those cough and catarrh in school. Because if your child has cough and catarrh, why do you bring them to school? Or try to isolate them or something? In fact, I really don't know. Like, I know that before every school section, I try to do the needful. You deworm, you buy multivitamins, you try to give them fruits virtually 3 to 4 times in a week for them to take to school, aside the one they take in the house. And at the end of the day, I know their immune system is very low. At the end of the day, they still come back catching cough and catarrh. Oh boy, communicable disease. You wash the cotton. I think this weekend what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash the cotton, clean up everywhere. I don't think I've done that in the last 1 month. I'm going to do that again. Then let me know that the problem is not coming from my side, it's coming from school. But oh boy, now I want to go to the hospital. I finished from work, so I'm heading home for us to go to the hospital. The pediatrician comes late, that's why I didn't stay off work today. He managed to go to school. I've done over-the-counter medications, it didn't work. I've given him ginger and kineko. It no work. Now it has passed me. We are going to the hospital, so I'll give you guys the update later. How are you guys doing? Hope you're enjoying my videos so far. You've been enjoying my vlogs, and oh, hope you've been enjoying my vlogs so far. Skin is skinning. I know I'm vain, but just let me just show you guys. Sun kissed. See, let me concentrate and go home. I'm gonna carry my cross. Okay. Catch you guys up later.
Nigerian hospitals can do better. I know what I went through last year when my son was
Sorry,
in
sorry, sorry, sorry.
admission to get his vein. He's on the big side. To get vein, no be here. They even use vein finder, still nothing. As in, I don't even know how to just explain. Just know that at this point, my husband was already he was just like a time bomb waiting to explode. Because what in the world was this? I just stopped record. I didn't even insert the whole clip. The boy was crying. You put here the vein, you know, enter, and this boy is just too active. He was struggling. The man, fine, fine, fine. Said, my husband said, you know what? Malaria we've treated. What again? Football counts. He's fine, and we left. This boy is good, but now hospital they want to do extra to collect more money. See the drugs they give us: eye drop, nasal drop, cough syrup, and antibiotics for everything. I just feel that we abuse antibiotics in this country. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.